Welcome to my channel. In today's digital age, promoting physical activity among children has never been more crucial. With sedentary lifestyles becoming increasingly prevalent, it's essential to encourage kids to stay active and cultivate healthy habits from a young age. In this brief guide, we'll explore effective strategies for fostering a love for movement and preventing sedentary behaviors in children. Promoting physical activity. Tips to encourage children to stay active. Led by example. Children often mimic the behaviors of adults around them. By demonstrating an active lifestyle yourself, whether it's going for a family walk or participating in sports, you set a positive example and inspire your kids to follow suit. Make it fun. Incorporate enjoyable physical activities into your child's routine, such as bike rides, nature hikes, dance parties, or backyard games. When exercise feels like play, children are more likely to engage in it willingly. Limit screen time. Set reasonable limits on screen time and encourage alternative activities that involve movement. Encourage outdoor play, sports, or creative hobbies that require physical activity and interaction with peers. Encourage variety. Expose children to a variety of physical activities to keep them engaged and help them discover activities they enjoy. Whether it's swimming, martial arts, gymnastics, or team sports, let them explore different options and find what they love. Be supportive. Celebrate your child's efforts and achievements in physical activities, regardless of their skill level. Offer encouragement and praise to boost their confidence and motivation to continue being active. Create opportunities. Provide opportunities for physical activity in daily life, such as walking or biking to school, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or engaging in active chores like gardening or cleaning. Family time. Incorporate physical activity into family bonding time by planning outdoor outings or participating in group activities together. Not only does this promote health and fitness, but it also strengthens family relationships. By implementing these simple yet effective strategies, we can empower children to lead active lifestyles, cultivate healthy habits, and reduce the risk of sedentary-related health issues. Together, let's inspire the next generation to embrace the joy of movement and prioritize their physical well-being. If you find this content informative, please don't forget to subscribe, like, put a comment on your review and share to your loved ones. Thank you.